In this lesson, we're going to evaluate a variable expression, but this time we're going to do it with a decimal. So if we have a problem like this that says find the value of the expression 2 times y when y equals 2.1. So the first step is to understand the meaning of the words variable and expression. A variable is a letter given to an unknown number. An expression is an equation that represents another number. It is made up of numbers and variables. So this is an expression. It's made up of numbers and variables. Okay? This is the variable. It's just a letter given to an unknown number. So let's write that again, and let's circle what we know. This is the expression, and then this is the variable. It's an unknown. So, but in this problem, they're saying that you need to put y equal to 2.1. So in this expression, the variable y will be replaced by the number 2.1. Replace with the number 2.1, the variable. Okay, so how's that going to look? Looks like this. 2 times 2.1. And then you just multiply that out normally like you would any other multiplication. So it equals 4.2. And that's the end of this problem. And don't worry if you don't understand this right away. There's links in the description to other videos like this as well. You could download the ebook. In the ebook, there's this exact lesson. You can follow along as you watch the video. Thank you so much for listening, and please make sure to like and subscribe.